Hi everybody and welcome back to the Tech Share. Today we are going to show you a tip that many of you think you already know, but there's a hidden feature to this tip that I think is really going to pay off in spades for you. So here's the deal. I'm going to show you how to do copying and pasting, but not the way you think, because most people already know how to copy and paste. So as you can see, I've got a document that's in here, and the traditional way that you would copy and paste would be just to highlight some text, hold down Control C, or if you're on a Mac, you would hold down the Command and letter C, and then you would come down and simply Control V to paste your text in, or Command V again if you're on a Mac. So in this case, I'm going to take one line and copy paste it, and I'm going to take another two lines and copy and paste them. And I've also already taken some text that was in Wikipedia and I copied and pasted it in. So you're probably thinking, okay, Charlie, copy paste. I know how to do that. Big whoop. Where's the tip? Well, here's the hidden tip that many people are unaware of. If you're on a PC, so this is not going to work on your Mac, but if you're on a PC, if you hold down the Windows key on your keyboard, which is between the Control and the Alt key, and you hit the letter V, you will see that you get a multi-clipboard. So most times when you use Control C and V, it only places one item on the clipboard at a time. But by holding down the Windows key and hitting the letter V, you can see that it stores everything that's been on my clipboard during the day. So if I needed this text again, I could simply click on it and bring it in, and boom, it just pops it right back in. But this tip gets even better, because if you pull up the Windows and V key, you'll also see that you have some dots here. So if you have text that you're no longer using, you can simply delete it. You can also take text like here and you can pin it. And if you pin the text, it even tells you on your screen that this will keep an item in your clipboard even after you restart the machine. So if this is text that you think you're going to be recalling several times over the course of, a few days or weeks or months, why not pin it so that you always have it available to you? And last but not least, you could do a clear all, which would clear everything off of the clipboard so that you could start fresh again. So keep in mind that that Windows key and the letter V gives you a multifunctional clipboard that you might not have thought you had access to before. So until we see you again, take care, bye-bye, and we'll see you real soon.